Honor is plowing ahead with its interesting tactic of bringing a Huawei flagship phone to a different audience at a bafflingly lower price with the Honor View 10. We're not complaining. Honor View 10 review. Hot on the heels of the mid-range 7X, Honor has announced the View 10, a flagship device that starts 2018 with the 2017's biggest smartphone trend, an 18:9 display. But there's a lot more to this phone than that. The phone was expected to be called the Honor 9 Pro as per its usual naming conventions, but the company have chosen View 10 thanks to its similarities to the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. It's the first time the View branding has been used outside of Asia. The device has premium build, and while is not exactly the same dimensions as either Huawei's Mate 10 or Mate 10 Pro, shares many of the traits of the two. For a company trying to break into the UK mainstream at the same time as its parent company, Huawei, this affordable high-end flagship makes a decent case for itself so long as you're looking to buy a handset outright. Honor phones are not always easily available from UK operators. Price and availability. The UK price of the Honor View 10 is £449, making it the same as the base OnePlus 5T, and £70 more than the Honor 9 retailed for at launch. It will go on sale on January 8, 2018. It will also be available in France, Germany, India, Italy, the US, Spain and Russia at this time. It's worth bearing in mind that you can pick up a Samsung Galaxy S8 for around £500 on Amazon these days, which is not a lot more. The View 10 holds its own against it in terms of specs, but you might prefer the comfort of a household brand.